from Maharaja Surajpal College, and right now I'm in computer science and I'll be starting my third year. So when I came in this training, I had no knowledge and I had nothing. I never coded in my life, and the amount of knowledge that I'm taking away with me in a month is too much for me, and I'm really excited to follow the full stack journey. So this was a huge difference when I started, and now when I'm ending with it. I want to appreciate Amit sir and Aman sir. From with CSS concepts, they are so clear to me that anything that I have in mind, I can implement them now. And Amit sir, throughout the journey, he has been excellent. And also Priya ma'am, she has assisted me with everything, like personal doubts, personal project doubts, everything. Also the live sessions have helped so much because the class content is also repeated and I can access it for a year and more. So in 1 month, all in all, it has been more than perfect, and I will rate it 10 out of 10. And I'll be further also considering to take the 6 month because the amount of growth that I've taken in 1 month and to expand that in 6 months. So I'll think I'll be perfect out. So thank you.